We are today in the middle of Germany, in a beautiful Hesse region, on the mountains of the town of Complex. And this beautiful landscape, this little lake, is here to remind us that when we are in the nature, we may need some tools. As you walk, as you hike, as you bicycle, as you do sports, as you relax, little things might happen that a small tool that you always carry with you could help resolve. And we are here to talk today about the Swiss card from Victorinox. There are different types of Swiss card. This in particular is Swiss Card Lite, blue color. It is delivered in a nice compact packaging, and the packaging already describes all the functions, all the tools that are in this box. So we have number 1 letter opener blade, number 2 scissors, number 3 stainless steel pin, number 4 ballpoint pen, number 5 tweezers, number 6 magnifying glass, number 7 screwdriver 3mm, 8 screwdriver 5mm, then Phillips screwdriver, other Phillips screwdriver, number 11 is a LED light, then number 12 is ruler, and number 13 is ruler in inches. Let's open it. It's a bit complicated with one hand, but we will sort it out. Nice package, nice quality product. We have the picture of hair, I don't know, can't read it. And it says Victorinox since 1884. Makers of the original Swiss Army knife. You can lift it. There are some instructions here. We protect our intellectual property rights. And this is the card. It's really credit card size. Semi-transparent. And let's see if with the magnification glass we can read the name of this gentleman. Let's see. I can read Karl Elsner. Okay, cool. This is supposedly the letter opener. Is a little bit sharp, yes. Yeah. Can cut some little things. This is the scissor. I'm curious to see the light here. This is the light, LED light. This is a little pen, which functions right out of the box. The tweezers, I believe, yeah. Tweezers. And the multi-functional tool here. Screwdrivers. Cool. And we finally have the pin. I'm afraid to lose it. The pin here and the ruler. I think is in inches and centimeters. It fits in should fit in a purse. Is as thick as 2 credit cards perhaps. I will test when I go back home. In the meantime, enjoy the scenery.